Here's an update from the KSHB 41 Weather Center. All right, here's an update on all the severe weather chances really for Tuesday and Wednesday. Yeah, and want to ask me a question? You can go to my Twitter account at Jeff Penner KSHB. You can also go to my email, jeff.penner@kshb.com. Also, I'm on Facebook, Jeff Penner at Jeff Penner KSHB 41. So now, what about the severe weather? Well, today it looks like it wants to be a stormy day. All these clouds around. However, because of the clouds, it's likely not a stormy day because there is a warm layer aloft. We call it a cap. It's almost like when you have a pot of boiling water and you put a lid on it. And when you're holding the lid down, it doesn't allow the steam to escape. So you have this lid, but then you take the lid off, it rushes up. Well, in order for the atmosphere to lift the lid, it needs to be hotter down below so that it can push the cap off. Well, in this case, the clouds are keeping it cooler and they're not allowing to do it. Now, yes, it's warm and humid outside, but it's not warm enough. And also there aren't any other weather systems to create severe weather. So the risk for today is really up there in Minnesota and Wisconsin and Illinois. And that's where the tornado threat is. There's another risk down to the south. I see they just added a level 2 of 5 down near Oklahoma City. Then for tomorrow, we are in a level 2 of 5, but the level 3 is up to the north and west, or north and east. They're in Iowa, Wisconsin, and Illinois. And that threat goes all the way down to the southwest Texas border there with Mexico. And there are some questions with this. We're going to go through that. And on Wednesday, same thing. We're in a level 2 of 5, but there are questions with this. So let's go through these setups. For today, we have the low pressure up in northwest Iowa, cold front, dry line to the south, which separates warm, dry air from warm, moist air, and then the warm front. And that's a triple point. When meteorologists see this surface setup, any time of year could be severe, but especially April, May, June, and especially in the middle of the country. And because of the cap, the dry line is inactive. The cold front in these situations is usually not active because it's in the drier air out ahead of it. It's the surface low, warm front, and dry line. Well, the dry line's got the cap, but the surface low to warm front, that is also where there's no cap, so there's a better chance of severe weather. Also, once we get more shear, you get these southeasterly winds and the southwest flow aloft, that's where you can get a better threat of tornadoes. You can also get it on the dry line. It's right near the dry line. The flow turns southeast, but thunderstorms are going to form. We're going to have a lot of clouds. Then tomorrow morning, you see everything's kind of reorganizing back to the west, and then during the afternoon, we may get hot. There's going to be another cap tomorrow. So 84 might help to break the cap. And so we'll watch for that. But you see, also the surface is not organized. There is no triple point. So the main low is in Colorado. The dry line is out ahead of it. Then there's a warm front. It's disorganized. Severe weather likes organized things moving out of the southwest. Swift flow, a low pressure, cold front, warm front, dry line, all moving along. This is kind of disorganized. Now, that doesn't mean there won't be severe weather. It just means that there's some limiting factors. So thunderstorms forming in the afternoon, it could move into the evening, and so these could be severe. However, if they form down to the south in Oklahoma where there is less of a cap, where it's going to be a little warmer, the cap breaks, and then they ride northeast, they would also be a little less severe during the evening as they come up here. Also, if you notice, they move away from the boundary. The dry line's backing up, the warm fronts to the north, so they're sort of in the middle of just south winds. So sometimes that lessens the severe threat. They may be severe on the dry line and then weaken as they move east. A possible limiting factor, something we're just going to have to watch. Then Tuesday night, all that moves off to the east, and you see it's trying to organize a little bit better Wednesday morning. And Wednesday afternoon, there is low pressure, warm front, but the dry line is still separated from the main system, and the cold front's falling apart. So the system's weakening anyway. So you could get thunderstorms on the dry line. Question is, will there be stuff from the Tuesday night to keep it to cool on Wednesday for thunderstorms? Or will it not? And also, again, somewhat disorganized, but we'll have to watch. Any thunderstorms that form on the dry line can be severe. As they move east, they would weaken a little bit, or northeast. So again, very tough to call. Or there's a scenario where they could form down in Oklahoma tomorrow afternoon and ride up here late tomorrow night, and the main show would come in Wednesday morning. And if it does that, the severe threat's lower because it's coming in through the cooler part of the day. So a lot of questions. What we have to do is just take it one day at a time. And we know Thursday is going to be a nice day. There's another situation Friday but we'll be talking about that later. Rainfall, well, if we miss the severe weather, we're going to miss the heavier rain. So right now it looks like southeast Kansas, southern Missouri, 1 to 4 inches. We're in the 10th to 1 inch range, but again, we could still get thunderstorms, could still see some heavy rain in spots that see more, or this all lifts north, and we can see more severe weather because the severe weather would be south and stay south, and we would just get weaker thunderstorms up here. Again, every model is still different. Now, I know it's a day or two in advance. It's just the way it is with these situations. And so for today, a lot of clouds and wind, 80, 70 at midnight. Pretty mild, 68 tomorrow morning. And then there is a 20% chance tomorrow afternoon because we've got to watch it. But the better chance is after 5 p.m. and into tomorrow night. But we're still at a 40% chance because there's still these limiting factors. And then here we kind of put this into word form. Tuesday afternoon and night is a threat, 40% chance. Wednesday afternoon and night, a 40% chance. The main limiting factors is this warm air aloft of the cap, and also the disorganized surface features. They're moving backwards, and then it comes out, it's weakening. So again, doesn't mean we won't have significant severe weather. It just means stay with KSHB 41. We'll keep you advised. We'll have to take it one day at a time. And on the Super 10-day, Thursday is going to be a nice day. In the 80s, Friday, now that is not necessarily a cold front dry line, warm front, but it's a cold front. And it could bring some severe weather Friday. And again, there's limiting factors there too. Sometimes the thunderstorms form in the cooler air behind the front. And it looks like it's going to be dry for NASCAR weekend, except chilly. It's going to be windy, chilly on Saturday in the 50s. We might have a frost on Saturday morning in the 30s. So yeah, it's still spring. It's not summer. Have a great day, week ahead. Stay healthy.